wall's all torn out and it's time to get that old cast iron tub out. How are you going to do it? It's so heavy. Everybody wants to make removing a cast iron tub look easy. The fact of the matter is, it's not. You're going to need a sledgehammer. You're going to need a Sawzall with a couple of carbide cast iron cutting blades. An electric Sawzall works better because you get more velocity out of the blade. If you make relief cuts in it, it's easier to break with the sledgehammer. Make sure you wear a mask and safety glasses and some safety gloves. Get yourself one of these. I like to cut it right down to the base where it curves and then bust off the sides. You can try a cut-off wheel like that one with a metal cutting blade. Truth of the matter is, it's going to make a lot of iron dust, and you better be prepared for it. If you have a helper, it makes it a lot easier to do this. You don't have to cut it into as many or as small pieces as I had to. It's never easy. You can do it. Just be prepared. Make sure you got masks, safety glasses, gloves. It's a dirty, dangerous, messy job. And it's hard. So make sure you got good ventilation too. And get a hairdo like this. It breaks off a lot easier once you make the cuts. I like to cut it right down to the base where it curves and then bust off the sides. I hope that helps you. Don't forget to subscribe.